Hey Baker Gearheads, come follow along with me as we install the new Baker cable type side cover. Now we're going to assemble our cover for the transmission door. Now would be a great time to get rid of this ugly boring bubble and try out one of the new Baker vacuum form cable type covers for mechanical. We also offer a hydraulic cover, and we offer these in gloss black and hog black, which will be very similar to your stock case finish. So we're going to get the clutch cable into the new side cover. Torque that. Alright, now we can put our guts on the inside of the door. And I've put a little grease in the divots so that it holds the ball bearings where it should be. And then you're going to want to put the ear of that plate into the recess. And get your cable hook. Your snap ring. Make sure your snap ring's fully seated all the way around. Now, our new gasket, index pins. The torque spec is 132 to 156 inch-pounds with blue Loctite. These are going to be a 3/16 Allen wrench. You torque those to 132 to 156 inch-pounds. Refer to your service manual for proper torque sequence.